Today I'm taking a look at the SK 8-inch groove joint pliers. Something I am happy to see, we have some nice rubber handles on here. All my hand tools that I actually keep in my pouch that I take with me every day, they have nice big rubber handles like this just because it's going to put a lot less stress on my fingers and my hands. It's going to allow me to get a much better bite on things without having to worry about actually cutting into my skin. And this is a very nice mechanism. Most groove joint pliers, they kind of feel like gritty or grainy. This actually feels very well made, very smooth. And if we take a look at our teeth, they do look very well formed. They even have a nice coating on there. And in between those grooves, everything does also appear to be very smooth and very clean. Now this is the 8-inch, so this is a fairly small set of pliers. I actually prefer small sets. They do, of course, make larger ones, but a small set like this is something you can easily throw in your pouch. You can carry around with you. If you're gonna be doing kind of maintenance work, you want to have something with you all the time, this can be the style that you want. So I got some 1/2-inch black iron pipe. I already tightened this up with an 18-inch pipe wrench. And this is going to give me an idea of how well these teeth are actually formed, how sharp they are, how hard they are. And I can tell already, oh yeah, I could actually grab onto this thing with that. With a lesser pair of groove joint pliers, you would not be able to do that. They would just slide right over it. So yeah, this is an excellent set of pliers.